Installation on sloping terrain is similar to that of flat terrain. Professionals typically use a laser to shoot and obtain a grade. Set the first post on the uphill side. Post placement is important. Posts are typically placed at the point where the slope changes, whether in a peak or a valley. Part of the panel can be buried, if desired, to eliminate or reduce gaps, but will also reduce the height of the wall. Place the second post in position. Use a steel stiffener for spacing and to check the level. Panels will always be set level, even on a slope. Use a level on the stiffener to ensure panels will be level when installed. The panel support brackets should be pre-attached at the same heights previously shown and can receive the downhill side of the panel at that height. You can roughly set the next post and stiffener to check the slope to determine the drop per panel or incline. In our case, we had to reduce a high spot in the yard. Next, the bracket on the uphill side should be adjusted for the proper height. Measure down for the height of the fence plus 2 inches for the post cap. Then, add the width of the stiffener used in taking the measurement and attach the mounting bracket at that height. For steeper steps, panels can be cut so the step or drop in each section is 12 inches or less. Finally, once the posts are set in concrete, install the panels and post caps as previously shown.